How to play GeoGuessr for free. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can play GeoGuessr for free. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your web browser and search for geoguessr.com. This is the URL right here, and this will be your home page. Now you can tap on login to log into your account. You can log in with Google, your Apple ID, or your Facebook. I'm just continue to log in with my Google account. And once you have logged in here, as you guys know, you can play for free for 5 minutes. So if you tap on new trip, you have 5 minutes of playtime. So once you do that, you will have to wait for 15 more minutes to play again. Now what you can do is, once you upgrade, you can upgrade a basic monthly. So once you do this, you can continue and add your card details and subscribe. Once you do that, you should be able to play it for free for 7 days. And if you want to cancel your subscription anytime, you can go ahead and click on your profile. And once you head over to your profile, now you just have to scroll down until you see your edit profile option. If you have a new profile, you can see the edit profile option right here. You can click on it. And once you click on your profile, you will see the cancel subscription button, and you can cancel anytime so that it won't charge you anything. And that's how you can play GeoGuessr for free. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next video.